Hey guys, it's Hannah here, and in this video I am going to unbox the VanStickie birthday bundle of 2018, and it is packed with so many cute and sweet goodies because it was kind of candy themed. And I guess this is kind of a part 2 of the video because I did unbox the Wanton in a Million Besties box in my last video, but it turned out to be kind of long, so I decided to make the VanStickie unboxing in a separate video. So that's what I'm here to do right now, and I'm so excited. It's a lot of stuff in here, so I'm pretty sure this is gonna take a little while as well. Now let's just open it! Alright, so here we go! Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. Just right off the bat, look at this packaging. It's like glittering and shimmering, and it's like hollow. I don't know what you call this stuff, but this is definitely like a party in a box, and it's just so much fun. Okay, the only bad thing is what to do with this once you take it out, because it kind of gets everywhere. But let's see here. Oh my goodness, this is so fun. It's so cute. Okay, so, oh my goodness. Also, this paper is like glittery, and this is so fun. Okay, so, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's a super cute ribbon here. Look how cute this ribbon is. I am in love. This is so awesome. Okay, so, my goodness. The last time I did get the VanStickie anniversary box, which was released, I believe, in January, earlier this year. And I was so impressed by that one too, so I knew that this box would not disappoint. Okay, so firstly, there's some candy. I mean, actual candy. It's a kind of a candy-themed box after all. I love the one in the last box. It was so fun to try out new candy, so I'm so excited for this one. And I believe, yes, there's also this chocolate-filled sticks, I believe. Once again, I'm really excited to try this out. Okay, so into the stationery goodness. Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna take everything from the top, what I see here. So we have this like little sticker folder that has stickers inside. Oh, okay, so I believe this is all the like exclusive samplers and stuff, but how cute is this? Okay, so here's a little bow die cut, really cute. We have a little, ooh, it's like a scratch thingy. That's exciting, I'm gonna have to try that out. Here's a little sampler sheet. Just a bunch of cute items. And here we have one from the Coffee Monsters Co. I love the Coffee Monsters Co. too, so that's awesome. Here's one from a shop called what's it called? Raspberry Designs? Is that it? That's a super cute kitty. And this one is from Arya's Daydream. Just a bunch of functionals and stuff. We have one here from, okay, I don't really know how to pronounce that. Elizabeth Alvite? I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, but that's really cute. It's Harry Potter themed. Oh my gosh, this one is adorable. It's from Grumpy Bear, and this theme, oh my goodness, that pink is gorgeous. Okay, this one I'm never gonna use. This is gonna be like a decorative sticker sheet I'm just gonna have for deco. And we have, oh, this one is also so cute. This one is from Sparkly Paper Co. I love this style with the big one on top here. That's adorable. And also have this one from Stick with Chim. That's super cute as well, really kawaii. This one is from Once More with Love. This is Movie Date, I believe. And you can write the movie that you're watching in the middle of that. That's so cute. Ooh, this is a little vinyl sticker. I'm not sure where it's from though, but that's cute. And this one is from See Amy Draw. Yeah, I love her lettering. It's gorgeous. This whole style makes me really happy. So that's so awesome. Put them right back in here. Like this, all the packaging stuff makes me so happy, guys. All right, so I just zoomed in a little bit. So here we have, let's see here. I don't even remember everything that's inside here. So this one is from Shell's Scribbles. Look at that card. It's like shiny, like pearlescent. That's awesome. And this is so cute. Life is sweet. And there's macarons. I love macarons. Oh, and there's another vinyl sticker. It's like a lilac heart lollipop. That's so cute. I haven't started using vinyls yet. I'm a little scared to, but I'm gonna try it out definitely. Okay, so then we have the pen case. This is like a metal tin, I guess, pencil case. I already have a lot of pen cases, but you know, this one is really cute. I love the colors. And it's just simple like that. Ooh, it actually has this thing in the bottom, so I guess it kind of protects your pens a little. So yeah, I mean, you can put anything in here, but you know, it's supposed to be for pens. Okay, so then we have a bag of goodies here. I guess I'm gonna get into it. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's so much stuff. Okay, so firstly, we have sticky notes, and these are some, oh my gosh, that's part of the washi that's also in here. I'm gonna check that out more later, but the sticky notes I'm always excited for. I just think sticky notes are so much fun, especially pretty ones. So the first one here says, "Be a macaron in a cookie cutter world." And I just really love that quote. I think it's really fun. And then we have the macarons and all the yummy stuff. And here we have one that says "Sweet Shop," has some candies, and yeah, it's just really cute. And then we have, oh my gosh, yes! Oh, that's right. Also, this is a VanStickie and Oopsies Catspresso collab, and I'm actually following Catspresso on Instagram, and they have a lot of cute stuff. So this is like bookmark, so you can put this behind pages. Let's see if I can. Okay, so I'm gonna take this for example. You just do like this, and it says put a bow on it, and it's hollow. And it's really thick plastic, really sturdy, and we have the two bows there. Super cute. I love that. And then it also came with some vinyl, actually black, I think it's glitter. Black glitter, I guess, labels. You can use them for your tabs in your planner or bookmarks or anything like that. This is actually really awesome. Really, really good. I love these. Really functional. Here's some more stuff. These are vinyl decals. Like I said, all this vinyl stuff, it's new to me, but it's really exciting. So we have this awesome pearlescent hollow style cupcake with a big flower on it. That's gorgeous. We also have this kind of, oh, I don't know what this is called in English, but it's like a roll up cake. No, I have no idea what it's called, but I love those. They're so yummy. Then we have a gold one that says "Life is Sweet." Love this one. And we have this one, which is a kind of minty greenish color that says "Life is Sweet." And also we have the cupcake with the little character Amy right there in glittery kind of pink. That's awesome. So a lot of vinyls. Gonna have to try out those. Okay, so then we have the die cuts, and oh my goodness, you see it's both sides. That is a lot of die cuts. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna take one side at a time. Okay, this is gonna take me a while. We have lollipops, candies, gummy bears of all kinds of colors and stuff, and some candy. Some, I think these are called Pocky. And ooh, there's a gummy bear again. Donut, Pocky, lollipop, candy, roll up thingy. Some more. It's just a bunch of sweets, but these are, I love lollipops. They're so cute. Macarons, yay! And cupcake, and I love the pink gummy bear. These are all so cute. This is gonna fit a setup I want to make so well, because it's gonna be like sweets themed, which is perfect. And we have these, and then, ooh, look, this is almost like a bookmark. I love the stacked macarons. And then we had, it was like 2 layers, so here we have another layer. I don't know if it's all the same or if it's different. It's also cute. Look at all of these. These are, it's so many, like you can make so much of these. Oh, wait. Okay, I think I noticed a difference with them. So the first batch I showed you are like regular die cuts, but I believe these ones are actually stickers as well. Oh yeah, so here it actually says die cut and sticker flakes, so it is supposed to be 2 different ones. Okay, so then here we have, is this a sticker kit? I think it is. Oh my goodness, the packaging is so cute. Okay, so it's like this little folder style, and it's adorable. Look at that. And here we have the stickers, and it's actually a die cut here. Wow, look at that. It's Amy, and she's like bathing in sweets. That's amazing. I wish I could be her right there. Okay, so here we have full boxes. Really cute. We have some more full boxes here. Super adorable. Some more functionals. And some more functionals. I love the candy checklists. That's adorable. We have headers. I love the font that VanStickie has. And we have these quarter boxes and some more functionals, as well as the, oh, these are glitter headers and flags. That's awesome. And I love these. Look at those. That's so cute. Love the candies. And here's just some, I guess, decorative stuff mostly. And here's the day covers. I love like the candy shop kind of style to them. That's adorable. And some more decorative stuff. I love that. Okay, that's a lot of stickers. And then last but not least, that was part of that little set here is this. And I'm trying to take off the glitter. Yeah, so this is a collab with Jen's Crafty Designs. So we have a little bow bookmark, and I believe the bow was like random. I think there were different colors, or at least 2 different. I got the black one, which I think black is good because that matches anything. So I'm glad I got the black. And here we just have the different girls with different desserts, and it says life is sweet, and I love that. It's so cute. So cute. Alright, so then something... Okay, so I'm gonna take this first, I guess. There's a lot of stuff in this box. Okay, so this item I was so very excited about because I've been wanting to try out this shop for a while. I feel like everyone is posting about it, and that is XO Carolyn Designs, and she makes really cute like planner clips and accessories, and this one is just adorable. You see, so it has a little lollipop that is light pink, and it has a little pearl here. It's a little dangly paper clip, so you put it like that, and then it can dangle from the top of your pages or the side of your pages or whatever you want. And then something that's also super exciting, a pen from Villa Beautiful. My very first. These have become pretty popular lately, I believe. But this, I believe, is custom made. So it has like a bunch of like candy colors in here. It's custom made to fit the box, I mean. And it has Villa Beautiful in pink on like a pearlescent white. I do wish the hardware was gold. But you know, silver is fine as well. And this is the tip. I believe it is gel. And I would guess that it's 0.7 or 0.5. Maybe 0.5. Yeah, this feels like a really high quality and nice pen, definitely. Okay, so we're getting to the end here. This is something that I've never seen anyone make or add. Like, I have seen no planner person have this ever in their shop. This is a USB, and it's like totally custom made. It's so awesome. So here it says Planner Babe, and there's a planner you can see in the pen, and here's the USB. So you can plug that just into your computer, and it's just so cute. And it also has this thing, I guess you can use it as like a keychain, but I would be pretty careful with it since I mean, it's a USB. You can't like drop it in a puddle and stuff, which sometimes you drop your keys in places you don't want to drop them. So, and I believe that the digital files that are also part of this box are loaded onto this USB. So that's pretty clever. Like, I'm always impressed by, I believe her name is Mary. I'm always so impressed by her and her creativity. Okay, so actually I'm saving the washi for last because that's like the thing I might be most excited about, but we have a bunch of more little goodies here. Okay, so we have, are these the pins? Yes, it is. So pins are a huge trend right now. I haven't really gotten into it myself, but I need to get myself like a pin board so I can just put them on there just as decoration. But this one is the same design as the USB, as you can see. And we also have this one, which is Life is Sweet, and there's Amy, and there's a cupcake and the flower again, and the last one is super tiny. Ooh, maybe it's supposed to be this way, which is just Amy and a little bow. Super cute. And now the washi. There's also papers here, but I'm gonna take the washi first. This is a VanStickie and Simply Gilded collab, which I love when Simply Gilded collabs with other people because it's just, it creates magic usually. So this one is gold foiled, and it has like a kind of a, what do you call it? It reminds me of a picnic basket in the back. And we have Amy and the macarons in different colors and the bows. I feel like I have to put it on something that's white. Let's see, I'm gonna use this card just as a reference because I feel like this is so pretty when you put it on paper. Oh yeah. So you see the background there is like this white and light pink. It's a gingham. I feel like that's what it's called. And it's so pretty. Like, I love this design so much. It's so cute. It has all my favorite colors, and macarons, I love them, and Amy is adorable, and the design overall is just amazing. Okay, so last but certainly not least, we have the papers, and I believe they're all vellums. Maybe there's acetates in here too, but let's see. And I also believe that these are the ones that you also get as a digital version, so you can print more if you want to. So here we have this design with a kind of check pattern in the back, and then we have bows and just desserts. Love that. That was a vellum, by the way. Oh, okay, so we have an acetate version of that. That's awesome. I love acetate. And we also have, this is a vellum with the candies and the hearts. I love that the hearts have this kind of outline. That's really cute. And we also have this as a acetate version. I love that you get 2 different ones. That is absolutely awesome. We also have a vellum that says life is sweet over and over with a little candy, and we also have an acetate version of that one. That is awesome. That is really awesome. I love that you get 2 of each. Alright guys, so that was everything for this video. That was the VanStickie birthday box. And it really was a party in the box. Like, Mary certainly knows how to like just coordinate everything and make it all so fun. I mean, I just had so much fun opening this box, just like I did the last one that she made. It's just so much fun. You also get to try a lot of new things because she collaborates with other people and also adds like candy, which I'm excited to try. And yeah, it's just so much fun, just so exciting, everything. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope that you were able to get this box if you wanted to. And I also hope to see you next time. Bye for now!